everyone, it's Rachel, and in this video I'll be showing you how to make a super easy Easter chick charm using polymer clay just in time for Easter. So let's get started. Firstly, take the colour you would like to use for your egg. For this tutorial I'm going to be using this light purple colour. Take a ball of the clay and flatten it onto your work surface until you're happy with the size and thickness. Next, use your blade to cut out triangles all the way around the clay, and this will make it look like the egg has been cracked. Now go ahead and take some yellow clay for the body of the chick and then roll it into a ball. Go ahead and place the yellow ball on top of the egg and then curve up the edges so that it looks like the chicken is inside the egg. Now take a smaller ball of your egg colour and do the exact same thing by cutting out little triangles, and then this little piece will sit on top of the chick's head. For the wings, take some more of your yellow body colour and shape two balls into triangles by pinching one end. Use your blade to trim off the wider end on an angle, and then you can position them onto the body. Next up, we're making the face, so use a ball tool to create two indents where you would like the eyes to go. Roll two balls of an eye colour, I'm using brown, and then simply add these into the indents. To make some little cheeks, I also added on two small balls of light pink clay beside either eye. Next up, for the mouth, take some orange polymer clay. You want to shape two tiny balls of this clay into triangles by pinching one end. Then you want to position one on top of the other and use your blade to trim off the wider end, leaving only the point, and then add this onto the chick's face between the eyes. Now you can go ahead and add your eye pin if you'd like to make it into a charm, and then go ahead and bake it in your oven according to your package's instructions. After baking, I secured the eye pin with some super glue, and then I also added a coat of UV resin as a glaze for extra shine and protection. And there you have it, that is how you can make some super cute and simple Easter chick charms just in time for Easter. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for lots more crafty videos, and I'll see you next time. Bye guys!